Today I would be discussing our project, the Stacked House, which is across a plot area of 5,800 square feet, located right here in Bhopal, one of the posh locality of Ahmedabad. My name is Neelam Gajjar from Altitude Designs, Ahmedabad. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildo5.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. The project Stacked House is a residence for a small business family of 4. They desire a contemporary architecture with modern yet simple and elegant interiors. The house built on 3 levels, basement for servant, ground and first floor for family living. As it's a south-facing plot, we decided to have a garden at the back, which is north, and it will be self-shadowed by the residence itself. While studying surroundings, we realized that the neighbor at north and east sides had closed service areas. So east side was strategically planned for services, utility, basement entry and power backup, so that one can approach and work without disturbing private spaces. Fortunately, there was a private lawn at the west maintained by neighbor, so a double height courtyard was planned to take advantage of open green view and natural light. The entrance is occupied by veranda, vestibule, powder room, passage and drawing room. Had a touch of Indian tradition. We recessed the drawing room, which provides a sense of entrance with indirect entry. Also protects a window against the weather by structure itself. And for the rest of the wall, we introduced a metal louver for thermal insulation against harsh sunlight, which bestows a very modern contemporary character to the facade. We recessed the first floor. As a result, first floor seems stacked on the ground floor and another stacked at parking, which form series of 3 stacks. This is how the house named the Stacked House. The double height courtyard and extended open space dedicated to staircase, puja and dining is a great light source throughout the day. Centrally located puja at the courtyard creates a divine experience. Kitchen is located at the center of the house, connected with dining and utility. Living room is based on contemporary interior. Has view of garden through full glass window to allow green inside, which makes both space inseparable. Master room is modern by design and Indian roots by materials. Staircase is designed in double height courtyard, which is connected to all spaces and become a focal point of the house. As we climb the stairs, the entire veneer wall is visible with the impression of palm trees that gives you an elegant look. First floor living room, which has a connection with the ground floor through the courtyard. The bedroom for the younger son who loves to create artwork. The bedroom for the elder son who loves music and nature. So the material palette, design and details follows accordingly. The material palette which we selected includes kota and kadapa for flooring with different finishes, natural veneer and wood for furniture. Expose RCC at some places for specific requirements. Bricks at living area worked as a thermal insulator as well, creates contemporary ambience. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.